Oh, hello there. So we are back with charts and graphs plugin. So in the previous video, we were talking about the line chart. Now we'll talk about a different chart in the same element. So if we go here, after line comes the bar chart. So we have already selected the bar chart. So down there comes the bar chart options. So it says only applicable on bar chart. So in the previous video, we were talking about line charts. So now this doesn't apply to the bar chart. So we'll work on this. So first is the horizontal. So normally bar charts are vertically aligned. So if you come here, you can see this is vertical bar chart. Now if we click on horizontal, though these will be aligned horizontally, it will come on the y-axis. So now these measurements are in x-axis and the labels are in y-axis. Normally they are opposite. So now comes the stacked one. So if we remove this and if we click on stacked, these two values will be on top of each other. So as you can see, these are stacked bar charts. Then is the stacked 100%. So if you want to use stacked 100%, you have to check this as well. 100% means all the measures will be aligned parallelly with equal measures, which is 100%, but it will show which occupies how much percentage. So this measurement is not correct for stacked 100%. You have to use percentage as a value. So this is not accurate. Then comes so we'll remove these two. So it will be back to the normal vertical graph with side by side alignment. Then we'll skip the line settings. Then comes the x-axis settings. So as we have discussed earlier, x title is the title here and the y title is here. Then minimum x value is 0. You can give any value, but if you give labels, it will be the labels here. So text also, if you give text, there will be text shown here, and you can give interval for that. Then in y-axis settings, the title as I have explained before. Then comes the y series data. These data will be for the graphs, and this minimum value y and maximum value y will be shown here. So according to the data that you have given here, those will be shown here. These are the series 1, series 2, and it is distinguished by separating them by double colons. If you want to add one more series, you have to separate them by double colon. According to that, it will be y-axis will be set up. Then the series name, as you can see here, this is the series 1, series 2. Then this that is color properties. So you have given two colors for series 1 and series 2. Then the grid fill color is the transparent. As you can see, the background is transparent. The border color is grayish. You can see the border of the grid. Then the x-axis color, which is black, y-axis also black. And in advanced customization also, the graph is opaque. Data labels, if we click on data labels, these, you don't have to hover on it, it will be shown there. So yeah, so as you can see, those data is shown there. Then the toolbar, if you click on it, toolbar will be shown, and the chart height, chart width. You can set the chart height and width of this graph. this whole chart. So that's the toolbar. Then the animation, if you click on animation, it will show the animation for the graph. This is the animation. Then comes the bar chart settings, where you can give border radius for the bar chart. So if you see the documentation to change the bar border radius, I have given 30 as the value. Let's see what's the result. So it's the animation. Oh, as you can see, that's the border radius. I'll remove that. So we can ignore bar height for now. Then comes the bar column width. So we can change the width of the columns. This will be very slim now because it's 40%. So as you can see, the width is changed. So yeah, this is the main gist of the bar chart in Charts and Graphs plugin. Thank you.